ConvertKit has really good features to capture leads. You can do it either using forms or landing pages, and they also host those landing pages on their website. But what if you want those landing pages or forms to show up on your own domain, on your own website? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do that, how to create landing pages like this and like this form to show up on your own website. So let's get started. To do that, firstly, you need to go ahead and create the landing page or forms. Here is an example of a form that I've created. It is one of the default forms that they have, and I have one more example which I'm going to look at, which is this banner, and then finally we'll also see how to embed a landing page onto your domain. So what happens is when you are creating a landing page and when you hit on publish, you will see that there is an option. It says, or you can embed this page with our plugin for WordPress. What you can do is to install the WordPress plugin, log into your website and go to plugins, click on install plugins, and then from there you can search for a plugin and click on add new. You can search for Convertkit. And click on install now. It will install the Convertkit plugin, so it's better always to have this plugin. Click on activate. So now the plugin is there. We need to just find it and access. So here is the Convertkit plugin. Let's click on settings. Once you click on settings, you will come to the general tab, and this is where you need to provide information for your Convertkit account. You will be asked to provide API key, API secret key. So make sure you keep these secret. These are only for you. So what you have to do is go to your Convertkit account, go to your account settings and advanced, copy the API key, and also click on show, get your API secret key. It will be different for your account, and then click and save it here. If you want to set a default form, you can do that. I'm gonna leave it as it is. After that, you can simply click on save changes. So now our account is connected. What we have to do is, now let's say we want to firstly start with this landing page. So we have created this landing page in Convertkit, and now we want to embed this landing page onto our own website. So let's click on publish. Once you click on publish, it is again asking us the same option. But right now, because we have installed the plugin, we really don't have to do much. What we have to do is simply go back to a page or wherever you want to install that landing page. So let's say this is a test page I'm just creating. Okay, so if you go there, you will see the Convertkit plugin down below. It's not showing up right now, so I'm going to refresh this page. So once I refreshed it, as you can see, a new plugin for Convertkit is showing now. And right now what we want to do is we want to show that landing page. So before that, I'll just give a name for this page. And here you can select either the form or the landing page, and you can also tag people directly from a WordPress website. But in this case, I'm going to show you landing page. So click on landing page, select the landing page that you want to show. Okay, once you've done that, click on save, and you can also publish your post if you want. Let's click on preview to see what happens. So I clicked on preview, and this is, you can see that it is now hosted on my own website. Okay, and now you can just send traffic to it and capture leads from your own website. So let's look at one more example. Here I'm going to not use any of the landing page. I'm going to actually embed one of the forms. So let's look at this form. So this is a banner form which I want to show on my website. This is a banner form where I'm capturing the email ID and their name. Okay, you can customize this form as you wish, but in this case, for this example, I'm going to use it as it is. Once you click on publish, here with the forms, you are given multiple options like JavaScript, HTML, share, or WordPress. So because we installed the WordPress plugin, you can copy this code from here. Okay, and let's go to the page again. So right now I'm in the page, and I'm going to use the form option and select the form that was there, which was the banner discount. So I'm going to select the banner discount. I'm going to hit save, and let's click on preview to see how it looks like. So right now this is the page. You don't see the banner because I have added a delay of a few seconds. Let's go back. Okay, I realized, I think what I have done is I have changed the setting to show it every 1 day, and when I was testing this I already checked it once. So let's make it to 0. It's really not showing up because I've set it to show up every few days. So let's try with another form. So I have another form, which is this join the, and this is the short code. So click on copy, and I'm going to go back, and I'm going to select, either you can directly select that form. This is the Mills form, and you can select the name whichever is for your form, and click on preview. Now you can see the form is showing up right now here. So you can embed multiple forms onto your website. You can use different types of forms like slider forms, or inline form, or the banner form. There are different types of forms available, and you can use either of those. And this WordPress plugin will work for all your landing pages and all your forms. You can also tag people from this directly. So if you click on tag, you will be able to select all your tags that you have, and then it's easy way to just start capturing lead from your WordPress plugin.